Alright guys, so it is a crazy busy day. Literally just ran into the store, got some chips, running over to my ex-girlfriend's place. She's a bit sick, and I would like to, just give her a little sick bag there because she had just moved out. She doesn't have any sick supplies, so going over, drop off some of the sticky medicines and whatnot. Went parked in the grocery store parking lot there in one of the spots that was reserved for something else. I was in there for literally 30 seconds, grabbed a bag of chips, ran out, and there was a ticket on my dash already. So I guess they stand there and they wait, but it is only like the 10th ticket I've gotten this year, because I don't know, I'm super unlucky with these things. Maybe I should just stop breaking the rules and act like a normal, law-abiding citizen. But that is not what we do, because we don't care. We are too woke, we are too alpha on this channel. Who cares about a parking ticket? Just throw it in the garbage, and then you don't have to pay for it. Right, guys, so the video today is about my first week trading Forex. My first time trying Forex. Let's talk about our first week, and the good and the bad of that week, and whether or not I remember it very properly is a different story. You guys know already that I came from a crypto background. Now, with crypto, it's quite a bit different. It's very retail trader heavy compared to Forex. Forex is largely bank based. Let's rev this here. Oh yeah, baby. Pop, pop, pop. All right, cool. Forex largely bank trading based. Crypto is much more non-institutional, a lot more retail traders. So coming from a crypto based background, very similar to stocks. So a lot of people watching this video, the camera moved when I revved, didn't it? A lot of people watching this video are going to be from either a crypto or a stock background, and they're getting into Forex, because most people don't start with Forex, I don't think. Largely, a lot of people are going to be coming from these other platforms, and you're going to notice that Forex looks much more structured. It's going to be very range based. I thought things like that, it goes up, it goes down, you get to play the range a lot better, and looks very, very clean. Now, it's kind of deceiving, because my first week I thought it would be easy peasy, and that's kind of what I thought going into crypto too, because crypto was just basically following the trend, and you could simply follow that trend for a very long period of time, and then get out of the trend once it's over. But the thing is, you're always tricked. You always think, okay, the trend is going to continue, and then you're sitting in negative drawdown for a very, very long time. So with Forex, you think that it's going to be very range based. You're going to be able to take your profits at certain levels. It's going to be very obvious to you on when to take your trades in and out. Now, the thing is that is not necessarily true. As very obvious, I was able to figure out quickly, and you guys are probably figuring out quickly if you are starting to trade Forex now, or if you're looking to get into it. So the thing you're going to notice is that you're going to be manipulated a lot. There's a lot more manipulation in the Forex market, and that's not something I expected. So going into the Forex market, I thought it'd be very easy, and naturally, nothing that nothing worthwhile is very easy, at least to begin with. It's relatively easy to me now because I just kind of follow the system blindly, and then I get to go drive around in a nice car talking on YouTube for my day at the office, I suppose. Just kind of going to visit some people and doing a nice little day here. Now, that being said, you're going to have to be able to watch a lot more for these manipulations. So what are you going to do? You're going to have to learn how these banks are stop hunting people. How are we going to dodge these manipulations? I have tons of videos on this stuff, guys. How do we find liquidity? How do we not be a part of that liquidity? How do we not get wicked out? How do we not get stopped on? I literally yesterday just made a video on how not to get wicked out as easily, with a couple little tips there, so you guys can check all that stuff out if you are new to the channel. This first week of trading, in terms of how much I actually won and how much I lost, I can't say honestly for sure, because I had started with a small amount. I think I put $1,000 in, and over time I had lost it. The first week, it seemed like it was going to be very easy, and it just was not easy in the slightest. Now that first week I had started in January of 2019. It is now, whenever you can see the upload date here, it's now October of 2020, and it's been, so that's been, oh wow, that's actually quite a bit more time than I expected. So I've been doing this for a while now, and I think it took me until the end of summer until I was somewhat confident. So that first week, I just lost money. I lost a lot of money. I think I lost something like, not in the first week, but the first month I lost something like 60% of my account. So I'm pretty sure that's what the number was. And then I had added more. And this is kind of the vibe that you get into when you're new into trading, is you just keep adding more and more money, right? How do I lock this damn camera? Because it's gonna keep moving. My car's too powerful. I gotta lock that dang thing. Because every time I accelerate, it slides it around. It's not tight enough. So when you guys are new into Forex here, guys, what I would suggest, keep your account size low. You're going to be losing basically everything that you keep re-adding for quite a while. So I don't suggest that you just keep adding. And you know, what I had thought in my mind is I wanted $1,000 account. And so every time it would drop down to like 500 bucks, I would add another 500 bucks. So if you want to do something like that, what I would suggest, you know, put 1/10 of the amount that you want in there, and then just drop the lot sizes by 1/10, right? Something like that. 100 bucks, actually, that might be too little to even trade with. Maybe 500 bucks is the perfect amount to start with, because then you can use small lot sizes and it not blow your account really, really quickly. In terms of strategy, guys, take it very slow. Don't force trades every single day. Your first week, your first month into Forex trading, you're just going to want to learn the basics. None of these basic strategies make any money. Mostly everything that you learn on YouTube will not make money. Including, you know, if you listen to the stuff that I teach you immediately, you're not going to be able to make money doing it. You're going to really need to understand the core knowledge that I abide by in order to use my trading strategy. This is going to be true with other possible good gurus, right? You're really going to have to understand the depth behind all of their knowledge before you can actually really use their strategy into complete confidence. So first week of trading Forex, if you're making money, good for you. Do not expect that to continue, because I guarantee you will not be making money within the first 6 months of trading Forex. That's all for me, guys. I'm coming up on my destination here, and I got a couple more things to do today, so hopefully this video gets out quick. I've just been crazy fucking busy this week. Tons of people to see, tons of meetings, shit like this. And we're trying to pack in the trading, we're trying to pack in the business, we're trying to pack in the social life, and then the gym on top of that. It's just a crazy life. I love it. I'll see you guys next time.